Hello. This is a short video just to explain what how to fix when you subwoofer is pumping when you turn it off the car. Got the stereo here. Stereo, the sound cannot. Alright, now we got. So I got my system here. System meet on two subwoofers. There was a problem when I was turning off the car. The bass was going crazy, pump, making a big pump. Then I was almost getting crazy with that, but after a few trials, I finally fixed the problem, installing this Hyphonic 3.0 bass processor, digital bass processor, like you can see here. Yeah, there you go. 3.0. So with that, the thing is that that's a bass processor, so you can try because it has I mean the remote in and out, so you can use this piece to both things, to turn it on and off the system, and this will make you subwoofer be more strong, way more strong, like three times more. All right, so that's my setup right there. A few wires, but I will fix that later. All right, that's it. So it's easy to install.